Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix and reset car dashboard lights not working, meaning and fix for dash lights that won't turn on. Fix 1. Adjust the dimmer switch. Step 1. Locate the dashboard dimmer switch, typically near the headlight controls or on the instrument panel. Step 2. Turn the switch to its maximum brightness setting. Step 3. Check if the dashboard lights illuminate. Fix 2. Inspect the fuses. Step 1. Turn off the vehicle and remove the key from the ignition. Step 2. Locate the fuse box. Refer to your vehicle's manual for its location. Step 3. Identify the fuse responsible for the dashboard lights. Step 4. Check the fuse for any signs of damage. Step 5. If the fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same amperage rating. Step 6. Test the dashboard lights to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Replace dashboard bulbs. Step 1. Turn off the vehicle and disconnect the battery. Step 2. Remove the dashboard trim to access the instrument cluster. Step 3. Disconnect any switches, controls, and cables from the back of the instrument cluster. Step 4. Remove the instrument cluster faceplate. Step 5. Identify and remove the burned out bulbs. Step 6. Replace the old bulbs with new ones of the same type. Step 7. Reassemble the instrument cluster and reconnect any switches, controls, and cables. Step 8. Reconnect the battery and test the dashboard lights. Fix 4. Examine the wiring. Step 1. Turn off the vehicle and disconnect the battery. Step 2. Inspect the wiring behind the dashboard for any loose connections or visible damage. Step 3. Secure any loose connections and repair or replace any damaged wiring. Step 4. Reconnect the battery and test the dashboard lights. Fix 5. Test the battery and alternator. Step 1. Check the battery voltage using a multimeter. Step 2. If the battery voltage is low, charge or replace the battery as needed. Step 3. Test the alternator's charging point. Step 4. If the alternator is not charging properly, have it repaired or replaced. Step 5. Test the dashboard lights to see if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the new videos.